Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh wa maghfiratuh. Welcome to Anglo Urdu English Medium School, Standard 9, Subject English. We will start with the bridge course. Simply, bridge course is the common topic between the 8th and 9th. But there is some variation. In 9th, this topic we will learn in advanced form. So, today I will teach you the simple present, past and future tenses. As we know that there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. But in these all tenses, we will start with the first subtopics of tense: simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Okay. So, let's start with the tenses. The simple tenses tense verbs simply indicates actions in present, past and future. Okay, how we know that there are the different type of tenses, there are different type of tenses, sentences in front of you, how we know about it, how we identify. So simply you can identify with the verb form. जो verb form दिया गया है सेंटेंस में, उससे आप पहचान सकते हैं कि वो प्रेजेंट है, पास्ट है या फ्यूचर है. ओके, सो व्हाट्स द वर्ब? सो वर्ब इज़ अ बेसिकली एक्शन वर्ड विच शोज अस द एक्शन लाइक ईट, जंप, रन, प्ले, स्लीप. ओके, सो दिस all word is a verb. Okay, it is also called action word. So when we use the simple present tense, हम कब simple present tense यूज़ करते हैं या communication में कब यूज़ करना चाहिए? So in four matters: when we talk about habits, when we talk about regular events, our schedule, okay, and when we talking about current situations, okay, current topics or current situations, at that time we use simple present tense. Or when we talk about the general truths or facts or proverbs, at that time we use simple present tense. So what's the formation of simple present tense? It resembles the base form of a verb, but we add s or es or ies when the subject is in the third person. Okay, at that time when we use the simple present tense, when we talk about the simple present tense, always we use a base form of the verb like eat, sleep, like base form. Okay, but when we use he, she, it or singular singular person or third person as a subject, at that time we add s, es or ies at the end of the verb. Okay, so it depends on subject. When we use I, we, you, they, at that time in the present tense we use the base form of a verb. But when we have he, she, it or singular person or some girl name or some boy name, at that time when we use the verb, we add the s, es or ies at the end of the verb. For example, I spy. Spy, that means के जासूसी करना. I spy, you spy, they spy, we spy. But when we use she spies, he spies. Okay, for example, play. I play, you play, they play, we play, but she plays, he plays, Rohan plays. Okay, Rohan plays football every Sunday. Okay, but we play football every Sunday. So your subjects matters. Okay, now come to the past tense. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action that has already happened. जो इवेंट हो चुकी है उसके बारे में हमको बात करनी है. एट द टाइम वी यूज़ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. But here at the end of the verb we add ed. Okay, we add ed to the base verb. For example, play, played, walk, walked. Okay, so the simple past tense is used to indicate an action that has already happened. यानी जो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस कब यूज़ करेंगे, जब जो एक्शन हो गई, ऑलरेडी हैपन, हो चुकी है पास्ट में पहले. ओके, सो एट द टाइम वी ऐड ईडी टू द बेस वर्ब. बेस वर्ब में क्या करेंगे, ईडी. फॉर एग्जांपल हमने स्पाई देखा आगे प्रेजेंट टेंस में, नाउ आई स्पाइड. ओके, ईडी रख दिया. फॉर एग्जांपल आई प्ले, आई प्लेड. वी प्ले, वी प्लेड. शी प्ले, she played. Okay, ed. But that's not necessary that every time we put ed verb form. There is some different irregular verbs. Okay, for example, take, took, make, made. Okay, go, went. सो ये इरेग्युलर वर्ब फॉर्म है. हर बार हम पास्ट टेंस को इंडिकेट करने के लिए ईडी वाला वर्ब हम सर्च करेंगे कि नाउ सेंटेंस में सर्च करें कि ईडी वाला वर्ब है तो अगर तो फिर ये पास्ट टेंस हो गया. नहीं, दैट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि एवरी टाइम वी हैड ईडी वर्ब फॉर्म. बराबर, देर आर ओनली सम इरेग्युलर वर्ब इन पास्ट टेंस. ओके, here is an example. Simple past tense, the irregular verbs take different forms. I swam. So what's this swam? Swam is a past tense verb of swim. Irregular. Okay. Okay, there is only irregular verbs. I will give you the list of irregular verbs. For example, do, did. Okay, now come to the future tense. What's the future tense? So simple future tense is used to indicate an action that will happen. Okay, now future tense कब यूज़ करेंगे? future tense क्या indicate करता है? that the events that take place in future ना अभी हुई नहीं है, अब होने वाली है. We add, simply we add will or shall before the base verb. जो base verb है उसके before हम will और shall यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पर. For example, I will tell you my answer. We will play on next Sunday. हम next Sunday खेलेंगे. Okay, so यहाँ पर 3 verbs हम सीखे हैं, present, past and future. And in simple assertive sentence. Okay, in next session we will go to the interrogative sentence or negative sentence. Now simply हम assertive sentence सीखे. Have we know that this sentence is a present tense, the simple present tense. So base form use हुआ होगा, either s और es वाला verb form यूज़ हुआ होगा. So s और es वाला, when we use the s es verb form in the present tense, when we have a he, she, it or third person as a subject. Okay, and how we know that these all sentences are in past tense? So basically verb form at the end of the verb we put ed. But there are some also irregular past form of verbs in English. So there is a list of these verbs. So you have to know this kind of irregular verbs. And third is simple future tense. Simply we use will before the base verbs. Okay. So ये 3 verb है, 3 tenses है. इसको आपको करेक्ट करना है क्योंकि टेंसेस इज़ अ बेस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. ओके, नाउ इन नेक्स्ट सेशन हम इसके इंट्रोगेटिव और नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस करेंगे. ओके फ्रेंड्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़.